It's easy to read headlines after a major breach and think, what if that happens to me? As long as there's money to be made and data to be stolen, cyber threats will always exist. So it's not about how worried we should be when a cyber threat happens, it's about worrying how prepared you are when it does happen. For one of our customers, a global manufacturing company, we were able to eliminate the attack within 6 hours. They called Secureworks up for an incident response and they essentially said to us, oh, we've got signs of network scanning. And network scanning is very normal in an environment, so we thought there's nothing to it. I was the assigned consultant for that case, and within a few minutes I realized that the hackers hadn't just network scanned, they had stolen every single password in the entire company. And then after that, we jumped on and it turned into a 24/7 incident response. The threat group that they were targeted with are notorious for stealing gigabytes and gigabytes of sensitive data, putting them up on the dark web for sale, and so if the company does not pay the ransom, they release all of the data to download. Prior to the incident occurring, the company rolled out Secureworks iSensor devices, which are network devices that you plug in, and that network sensor is what led to the client being alerted that something strange was happening in their network. Because we were able to roll out Red Cloak, which is an endpoint detection and response tool, we were able to gain a heightened visibility into their environment, which meant that we can track everything that the attacker was doing. Within 6 hours of the ransomware being detected in the network, the attackers were completely eliminated and we never saw them re-enter the network again. At the end of the day, companies will get targeted by cyber threats, so it's important that you have the right partner or skill level within your organization so that you can detect, respond, and remediate the threat.